Okay, hi everyone. So, medyo na-late po yung ating Math 9, but ayan, let's have it now. So, again, our source here is from thepetclub.com. So, this is not again the exact test that you will have. Reviewer lang po ito. Okay, so number 1, which are the three undefined terms in geometry? Okay, so the undefined terms in geometry po is yung ating point, line, and a plane. Okay, and that is letter C. Number 2, a geometric figure starts at point A, passes through point B, and continues without and beyond. Okay, so, and continues without and beyond B. Okay, why is the figure a ray? Okay, so again, a ray po, it has one endpoint which extends endlessly. Okay, so that will be letter B. It has one endpoint and extends endlessly in one direction. Okay, so again, that is our definition for a ray. Number 3, what is a line that intersect two or more coplanar lines at different points called? Okay, so that is a transversal. Okay, line that intersects two or more coplanar lines. Next, number 4, two parallel lines are cut by a transversal. Two angles lie between the parallel lines and on opposite sides of the transversal. What type of angle pair is formed? Okay, so two angles lie between the parallel lines and opposite sides of the transversal. Okay, so for that one, that will be alternate interior. Ayan, so kapag nasa opposite ng transversal, yun po ay alternate. Next, number 5. Two parallel lines are cut by a transversal. Corresponding angle measure 3x plus 2 and 92. What is the value of x? Okay, so for our corresponding angles po, those are congruent. So if we have 3x plus 2, that is congruent po with 92. So we get 3x is equal to 92 minus 2. So 3x is equal to 90. Divide both sides with 3. Our x is equal to 30. Okay, that is letter C. Number 6, a learner says if two parallel lines are cut by a transversal and one same side interior angle is 68 degrees, its partner is also 68 degrees because angle pairs formed by parallel lines are congruent. Which analysis is correct? Okay, so it says there, same side. Okay, yung same side po natin, they are not congruent. That is supplementary. So, the learner is incorrect. So, it's either B or C. Okay, so it will be letter B. The learner is incorrect. Same side interior angles are supplementary. So, the other angle is 112 degrees. Hindi po siya dapat pareho. Unless 90 degrees yung ating angle. Okay. Again, ang same side po ay supplementary pair. When is a relation a function? Okay, so a relation is a function if each input is paired with exactly one output. Okay, so bawal po na nauulit ang ating variable x. Number 8, which relation is a function? Okay, so again, dapat wala po tayong repeated na x. So, sa letter A, meron tayong repeated 1. Sa B, repeated 0. Sa C, repeated 2. So, we'll go with letter D because our x there is 1, 2, and 3. Number 9, what is the zero of a function? Okay, so a zero of a function is an x value for which the function value is 0. Okay, baliktad po yung ating ano. And number 10, study the table. We have 0, 2, 4, 6. Our y is 6, 4, 2, 0. What is the zero of the function? Okay, so again, 0 of the function po, compare nung ating x is equal to 0. Okay, so ito po yung ating x is equal to 0. So 0 na function natin will be 6. Letter B. 11. In the linear function y equals mx plus b, what does b represent? Okay, so again, this is slope-intercept. M stands for the slope and b stands for our y-intercept. Letter D. And number 12, a delivery charge is modeled by y equals 45x plus 80, where x is the distance in kilometers and y is the total charge in pesos. What does 45 represent? Okay, so we'll have, that is a slope. Okay, so slope stands for our rate. Okay, so the charge increases by 45 pesos for every kilometer traveled. Letter A. Okay, so yung x natin again, that is distance. So 45 pesos for every kilometer. 13. A courier charges a base fare of 50 pesos plus 12 pesos for every kilometer traveled. How much is the charge for an 8-kilometer delivery? Okay, so let's have our function muna. So y is equal to, so we have the base fare of 50, that will be our y-intercept. And then 12 for every, okay, so every kilometers po, that will be x. So 12x plus 50. Okay, so they were asking for 8. So we have to change lang po yung x into 8. So we got 12 times 8 plus 50. Okay, so 12 times 8 plus 50, that is 146. Letter C. And for number 14, for two non-vertical lines, which slope relationship guarantees that the lines are perpendicular? Okay, so they will be perpendicular if their slopes are negative reciprocal po. Okay, kapag equal yung slope, that will be parallel. Kapag po negative reciprocal, that will be perpendicular. Okay, 15. You are creating a coordinate grid design with two roads that must meet at a right angle. Road R has a slope of 2. Which plan would create road S perpendicular to road R? Okay, so again, if it's perpendicular po, that will be negative reciprocal. So reciprocal of 2 is 1/2, and then you have to take its negative, so negative 1/2. Okay, so number 15, that is letter D. Draw road S through a point on R with slope negative 1/2. Okay, thank you guys for listening.